welcome to Crafty Little Things. I thought today that I'd share with you one of my Secret Santa gifts. Now I think this one came from somebody in my in Anne Melvin's team group. Not sure, but I think so. Oh, look at that gorgeous paper. Look at that beautiful card. Gorgeous is that? Love it. Let's put that there so I can take a photograph of it. Right, so in here we have all sorts of lovely stuff. One of the things, I get a bit daunted by Secret Santas and envelope swaps because some people put so much stuff in them and I just can't afford to do that. And I'm like, Greg, I don't know how they manage it. But that's gorgeous. Isn't it beautiful? I'm going to use, in fact, that's going to go into use immediately because I need to do a Christmas gift list, and I need to also do, I'm writing a list of lists that I need to make. Christmas dinner list. And then I also have to do a Christmas posting list of stuff that I need to get out before it's too late. So that's been put into use straight away. Oh, this is cute. These are cute. These are like large pins with hearts on them, and there's some buttons, some resin flowers. They're all pushed into a little bit of sponge. That's gorgeous. Those buttons are cute. I wonder if they're handmade. They're really pretty. They are like big brads. So they push through like brads. So you put them on cards. They're gorgeous, the fabric. I make my own buttons. But not like that. So that's lovely. Thank you, whoever sent me this. Then we've got this one. I love these, just making these little gift bags. Some Christmas paper. That's a really good idea. So we've got these gorgeous dolphins. Look at those. Laminate shapes, peel and stick. From Christchurch in New Zealand. I hope my Santa didn't not come all that way. Look at these gorgeous little embellishments. Absolutely beautiful. And there's tassels, and there's a big flower there. They're beautiful. Thank you. And there's some die cuts here. Oh, look at that. Some nail files in that a gorgeous little gift. I love that. It's really nice. So clever. I love that. There's some die cuts here. Oh goodness. I love die cuts. Look how beautiful that is. That's gorgeous. And those ones, there's a little basket. Oh, look at that. Little pram. They're cute. More little flowers. Little nappy pins. Little baby booties. They're so cute. I'll definitely use them. I make a lot of baby stuff because I don't necessarily show it all on my channel, but I make a lot of baby stuff because I crochet, so I make baby things. Look at these! Baker's twine. They're gorgeous. I use lots of baker's twine. They're absolutely beautiful. Love those. And then 12 bottles of assorted sequins. Wow. I love those. Really cute. Thank you so much. And some papers. Self-adhesive fabric sheets. Oh, wow. Can't wait to try those out. So I had taken everything more or less out of the packaging, but hadn't looked at it properly. So yeah, whoever you were, my Secret Santa, thank you so much. I'm really appreciative of all of those lovely crafty gifts, and I can't wait to start using them. And believe me, I will be starting to use them very soon. So thanks a lot, and well, I've already started using that one, and I'm going to just share the card on the Happy Crafters group because it's beautiful. Okay, I just wanted to show you this. I mean, this has just blown my mind. This is a Secret Santa gift from somebody in the Joyous Sets Facebook group. Now, I feel put to shame by mine because I kind of just made something, bought some things, put bits together, and just wrapped them, sent them off. I never went to these extremes, and I just couldn't. I just don't have the time. It's just absolutely beautiful, and I just feel really bad that mine's not as elaborate. And I wish it was. But what it's done is, whenever I feel disappointed in myself, I set myself a new challenge or a new goal. And my new challenge and goal, because of this disappointment for me, I mean, obviously the gift's not a disappointment, my own efforts are a disappointment. I'm going to make sure that I make some stunning things for next Christmas, so that come next year when I'm doing Secret Santas, I've got some amazing things ready, because this is absolutely gorgeous. And it's Secret Santa, but I know who it's from because I've seen her videos, because I'm an avid watcher of her channel. So you know who you are, Secret Santa. I'm not going to open everything inside it, but look, I just want to go through all the bits. I mean, this is like a candy cane charm. I mean, I'm assuming she's used wire and threaded through these beads. There's a little jingle. I love jingle bells. Little jingle bell at the end. A little Tibetan silver snowman there. Even the gift, the tags. I don't think I even bothered with tags. I feel so bad. This is what happens to me with swaps as well. Like pocket letters. I thought, oh yeah, pocket letter, put a little few bits, and then I've seen pocket letters and they're like boxes full of stuff, and I'm like, oh, where do they even get it all from? How do they have the time to go and get it? Why is there somebody climbing on the roof next door? I just don't know how they do it. And then I think I can't even send that, so I feel embarrassed about my thing, and then I just don't want to get involved in this sort of thing. Let me know if you're the same, because look, it's got proper silver rings, little organza bows, even the closure. Look at the closure. Look, there's rows of pearls, and they look single to me. I don't know if they're on a thing, but they look single. The paper's even been patterned. It's just gorgeous. I mean, my son saw this on my desk, and he said, "Oh, that's a nice bag, Mum." He thought it was actually a bag. I mean, he did say it was a little bit OTT for me for normal day wear, but yeah. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And then even on the back, look, these same. you can see how many people have picked it up and had looked at it by the handles. So inside this then, there is a plethora of things. Look at this gorgeous Christmas tree ornament that is going on my Christmas tree. I don't think there's anything inside that, but it's beautiful. So that will be going on my Christmas tree. So I'm glad I did open the box, even though I haven't opened everything inside it. Then there's this. There's so much to love about you. Look, I mean, just look. Look at all these gems and the fold of that and the quality of the cardstock and everything. Oh, it's got a little tin or something in there. I'll save that till Christmas. Then I think what might be in here is some little Tic Tacs. But look, and I just love, look at this box. It's one of these that opens out and then it opens out again. And it's got, even inside, look. I just don't know how you find the time. You must just work through the night, girl, because I really can't find the time for this. Oh, wow, look at this. Post-it notes, little calendar in there. Little for you, and little cute little gel pen is that. And then it's just so lovely. Oh, it's gorgeous. It inspires me to make things as well. This is what kind of gave it away as well, this one, because this lady kindly donated lots of things to the Ben's Beanies sale, and this is a great idea of hers. Absolutely love it. And look how she's used the little elves as tags and jingle bells, and oh, it's just gorgeous. And then here's a gorgeous sort of half cracker box. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. And in fact, great minds think alike on this one, because I packaged one of my Secret Santas in something similar, which you will see coming up on my channel. So yeah, I did. It wasn't the lady in question's channel that I saw that on, to be honest. It was on someone else. Was it on someone else's channel, or I saw it on Pinterest or somewhere? I know I got the inspiration from somewhere, and it wasn't from her, although I do get a lot of inspiration from her work. But yeah, absolutely beautiful, and I'm just bowled over by it, and I'm so appreciative. I can't wait to open those bits and bobs on. Can't get them back in. I can't wait to open them on Christmas Day and open all the little bits that I've not opened yet, so they're still surprises.